舞台現在正式開始。May we present to you It's Show Time. Let's welcome our MCs Antenna, Rosita 同埋 Felix， 請以熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎佢哋。大家好，歡迎大家嚟臨澳門美高梅4週年嘅慶典。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MGM Macau's 4th anniversary.
我哋係今日嘅司儀。
We're the MCs of today's ceremony.
我係嚟自 Hotel Operations 嘅 Felix， 而喺我左手邊有嚟自 HR 嘅 Andrea 同埋嚟自 Marketing and Communications 嘅 Rosita。首先，我哋好多謝我哋嘅董事局成員黃春佑先生今日喺百忙之中抽閒過嚟參加我哋呢個慶典㗎。
We are very honored today to have invited Mr. C.Y. Wong, member of the Board of Directors, to come join in our celebration today. Let's give him a very warm welcome.
我哋俾啲掌聲啊，黃生好唔好啊？多謝晒。
係，首先咧，我都謹代表公司多謝今日大家出席，為大家熱切嘅慶典，同時亦都多謝各位同事喺過往嘅一年對公司所作出嘅貢獻。First of all, we would like to thank all of you for coming and joining us. Today is the celebration of your hard work and your dedication to MGM Macau for the past year.
我書頭我哋見到咧，我哋舞台今日都好閃喎，完全襯托晒我哋金獅耀舞台呢個主題喎。
Yes, Felix, what a sparkling stage this is. It matches right with our theme. It's show time. 係啊 ，Felix， 我哋今日3位咧都着到閃靈靈嘅，真係同個舞台好襯啊！而我都見到大家都着得好靚喎，唔知頭先喺出邊有冇影到相咧？ Exactly, you all are looking great today. Have you already taken a photo at the photo corner?
我哋咧今日咧精心為大家炮製咗好多美食啦，同埋一連串嘅表演節目嘅喎。咁我哋咧除咗有歌星藝人演出之外咧，亦都有一眾嘅管理層咧將會粉墨登場㗎。咁我哋喺我哋 MGM 入邊咧，亦都有好多表演達人咧，有一陣會為大家打造好多耳目一新嘅精彩節目嘅喎。
Yes, sir. I hope that our colleagues save room for the delicious food. And we've also got an exciting lineup of entertaining performances by our executive team members and other team members, plus some more real star glamour.
冇錯啦，今日嘅舞台咧係屬於大家嘅。
The stage belongs to us today. Let's give ourselves a big hand.
我哋俾掌聲每一位同事好唔好啊？咁當然誒，除咗喺表演之前咧，除咗表演之外咧，我哋仲有好多幸運抽獎嘅喎。咁我知道咧，我哋啲獎品都非常之豐富㗎。大家知唔知有啲咩咧？
Right, Felix, I feel very excited today. Everybody in my team is talking about the lucky draw. I heard that this year we're giving away prizes worth over 700,000 petakas.
哇！咁啊，其中嘅獎品大家都應該知道啦，我哋有 iPhone 4S 啦、iPad 啦、MGM 金獅啦、足金金龍啦，仲有現金獎1萬蚊嘅喎，真係好豐富啊
Yes, the lucky draw prizes include iPhone 4S, iPad, gold statue of MGM Lion, gold statue of Dragon, and cash prize of 10,000 petakas, etc.
所以大家咧千祈要留翻張飛，留翻第一陣抽獎用，千祈唔好抌咗佢啊！
True. So this bit of information is very important to you. Please keep your tickets safe. You might need it if you're lucky.
咁咧，我哋其實琴日咧亦都非常之榮幸同埋高興咧，我哋嘅董事總經理何超瓊小姐咧亦都有到場參加我哋呢個慶典嘅喎。不如我哋睇下佢有啲咩同我哋分享好唔好啊？
We're extremely honored to have our Managing Director, Ms. Fancy Ho, to join in our celebration yesterday. Let's see what she has to share with us. Okay, everybody. I should be in, prettier outfit, except of course I've been working. So I can see everybody has tried to dress up, and for good reason, of course, because after all, this is the time of the year we are all here gathering to, in a way, take hold of, what a bumpy year we had, right? Because this year has been exceptional. You have done a fantastic, which has also obviously then made MGM China now a very, very resourceful company. We have also demonstrated it, in shining color to the world how much we're worth. When we went to seek the IPO in Hong Kong in middle of the year, we probably were the most valuable company in terms of, how they assess value assets. So you should all be very proud of yourself because you have created that value for us. So today, I'm here to join you. Unfortunately, I can't be here talking to all of you, but I hope the people who are here today will please help me transmit this message to your colleagues, because I'm here to really thank you all, for really having done a fantastic job and really creating the equity of this company, which is much more valuable than anything else we could have done just making investments. It is having the most valuable assets, which are yourselves here. So thank you. Start.
大家俾啲熱烈嘅掌聲，何小姐。
我頭先咧就講，我話我應該咧係着靚啲嘅，咁我都着靚咗㗎啦。其實平日我唔係着到咁樣開會嘅。咁但係咧，點解要着靚啲咧？因為今日咧實在咧係一個好好嘅時刻，我哋係值得去大家去祝賀，因為咧做咗好好嘅工作，令到呢一間公司咧 MGM China 係能夠發光發亮。今年係一個好特殊嘅一年，絕對係一個豐收嘅一年，因為今年年中嘅時候，我哋喺香港上市，而得到嘅成績咧係有目共睹，因為咧佢哋所有嘅投資者都認定 MGM China 咧係芸嘅呢個國企嘅公司之中咧個價值咧，我哋係用最高嘅價值係好事，即係最多嘅倍數。咁其實呢個 multiple 成日點解咁緊張講咁話用幾多倍值去上市咧？正正就係去反映究竟佢哋認定呢間公司將來嘅發展潛力有幾大？個發展潛力喺邊個度啊？當然，我哋作為嗰個叫做即係投資者或者嗰啲高層嘅管理人員，佢哋都居功至偉，功不可沒，因為佢哋將我哋公司一路帶領到今日。但係如果冇咗大家各方面嘅一個協調，同埋大家嘅投入，同埋大家嘅忠誠咧，我哋肯定咧係造就唔到一個咁特別嘅佳績。咁所以今日咧，我哋絕對有好多理由去慶祝，亦都有好多理由，大家以一個好愉快嘅心情咧，着到靚靚咁咧，今日咧就嚟開 party。咁我當然唔能夠參加晒全部6場啦，所以我只能夠咧就希望借助你哋去將我呢番説話咧，去講翻俾其他嘅同事聽，即係亦都咧代我去衷心咁去感謝我哋每一位嘅員工，因為咧你哋先至係我哋最值錢嘅資產。Okay, so I'm not going to be here to do any performance. I'm not going to be here to participate in the competition, but my spirits are with you. And the Golden Lion team is always going to outshine our competitors in all races, right? So what we do tonight is just a sampler of basically telling everybody, how devoted and how serious we are. Even in a just company-wide competition, we will always strive for the best. So, watch out, everybody, because this is our moment. And from now on, we are going to go down and roar. 咁頭先咧我就話，今晚咧雖然咧我又未有機會練習，你哋都大家知啦，我都有少少即係不同嘅才藝嘅。咁但係咧今日咧佢就冇邀請我，我亦都冇時間去準備。咁我應承大家咧，如果有一日我有機會咧，或者明年我可能做一個即係 surprise 你哋。咁但係咧，今日咧，大家都會有機會去即係共同咁樣去參加我哋呢啲咁嘅公司內部嘅一啲比賽。咁我剛才講就話，其實我哋無論係咩比賽，係內部嘅又好，對外嘅好，我哋咧肯定係充滿信心。我哋咧嗰個團隊精神同埋自己對於喺嗰個要去顯示我哋自己嘅實力咧，係不遺餘力嘅。咁所以咧，希望今日大家咧好投入咁樣去支持你哋自己嘅隊友，支持你哋自己嘅同事。 去俾大家睇，我哋咧係一股非常有力嘅一個勢力。大家咧就有目共睹，將喺 MGM 嘅團隊帶領底下咧，我哋係有好多新計劃。我哋未來咧係會向更高峰去呢個衝刺嘅。咁所以今日咧我就唔再打攪各位啦，因為以下咧仲有好多節目，咁啊等我亦都可以咧唞下，咁我亦都可以咧去慢慢享受下、欣賞下你哋各位為我哋準備嘅節目。多謝各位 ，thank you。
好。
好。
Thank you, Miss Sandy。